If you want to increase your credit or even start a credit repair business,
But if you close your eyes,
if you are interested in changing your life, you want to watch this video. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and I offer life-changing products and services. If you want to increase your credit or even start a credit repair business, I'm the one that you need to get with. Not only do I offer a credit repair program, but I also train credit repair agents how to start and scale their own credit repair business. So I help them step by step. I offer one-on-one coaching, and we also offer different courses to literally walk you through the process. Now, a lot of people ask, how can you help me? Well, there's a multitude of things that I can actually help you with, from Tradelines to starting a Turo business, starting a credit repair business, starting any sort of service-based or online business, social media content, how to create content and turn that content into cash, reels, how to get monetized on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for the content that you put out, and use that content and have it go viral. How to create multiple streams of income. Now, what if that one stream dried up tomorrow? We want to be able to have multiple streams that are coming into our bank accounts, and how to build business relationships with banks and financial institutions so they will give you the money that you need. Now, all of these things are included in my credit coaching program, and not to mention all of our digital products that we have on our website, including ebooks to how to start your business, how to build business credit, how to use the FCRA law in your dispute letters, everything from personal credit to business credit, not to mention the fact that we offer personal funding and business funding on our website, creditcoachpros.com. So if you are interested in building personal credit or business credit, or even starting a credit repair business where you can offer these same services as a side hustle or a full-time hustle, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. You want to subscribe to this channel and you want to sign up for some of my coaching programs so we can work one-on-one, or you can even purchase a course where we can walk through it together on how to get it done. Until next time, guys, make sure that you are subscribed and you can get all of our free content that we offer on YouTube and Instagram.
but if you close your eyes.